Hello boys and girls, today I'm here at the Divisoria Mall. So it's a local mall where all the Filipino people come here. So it's more like a hidden gem, or it's like a special series that I'm kind of vlogging here, and I don't see any foreigners here, guys. It's just me and a bunch of other Filipinos, locals, right? So I know the intro is a little bit weird angle here, but it's so damn crowded, guys. One thing that everyone keeps telling me is keep your belongings safe, and I've been trying to do that all the time, kind of holding my wallet and even the phone, right? So I keep it on my hand, in my hand. If not, I don't know, people say they kind of snatch it. So yeah, it's been a roller coaster walking here. So I really hope you like this vlog, and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like it. And I'm gonna keep it like a walking tour rather than me kind of speaking, because there's no point for me speaking because it's too loud here, guys, as you can hear in the background. So stay tuned. So guys, this is the market.
Ganun talaga yun. 32 sa Ulsi.
Sir, pa-tempered glass na kayo. 50 lang, libre na palagay. Welcome ma'am, sir. Pa-tempered glass na kayo. 50 lang, libre na palagay. Welcome ma'am, sir. Pa-tempered glass na kayo. 50 lang, libre na palagay. Welcome ma'am, sir. Pa-tempered glass na kayo. 50 lang, libre na palagay. Welcome ma'am, sir. Pa-tempered glass na kayo. 50 lang, libre na palagay. Welcome ma'am, sir. Pa-tempered glass na kayo. 50 lang, libre na palagay. Welcome ma'am, sir. Pa-tempered glass na kayo. 50 lang, libre na palagay.
Yes, ma'am. Decor, ma'am. Hanap nila, ma'am. Ay na, ma'am. Hanap kayo, ma'am. Maganda yung maraming tulad. Ah, 40 malag. Diyan sana magmalaman natin. Kainin niyo ba ito? Ilaman lang natin para malambot.
Guys, things are pretty cheap here. It's a huge market, guys.
Excuse me, saan po yung papunta? Divisoria Mall. Ito, Divisoria Mall. Dito din sa ano.
It's like a Christmas fest here, guys.
Pamuli ng dagaan yung madaan, pandikit sa dagama, panlasin sa dagama, patik ito. Boss, kubera nyo na, boss, mamotor nyo na.
Tawaran dito. Yan, ang bala na. Yan, ang building dumaan.
Yeah.
Oo!
This whole section is closed. That sheep here.
ML Quezon Avenue, Angono, Rizal for the Gigantes Music Fest. Makikipagkulitan ang mga paborito niyong barangay alas DJs.
Hindi ko kunin naman talaga.
Ang ng mga tao, high-blood ka masyado, magpapadrap.
Pero alam ko, hindi dito banda yung ano, yung Dunila. Kala ko nawala ka na. Ito, pwede na yan.
Binalik mo yung, di ba,
Bago isipin yan. Pero wala yung tayo sa laban.
Guys, it's crazy here. You can see it's that sheep.
Parang pugi nga lang. Wala kang Ben.
It's just like a long and non-stop long street. It's a never-ending street, guys.
kuya, temper niya, 50 na lang, libre na palagay. Ate kuya, temper niya, 50 na lang, libre na palagay.
Guys, this place is huge.
Sarap pero ano na yun?
These people literally here are looking at me like an alien because I'm the only foreigner here.
Magbayad lamang sa mga tindera na may suot na pinag-ID. Mag-ingat din po. Maraming salamat.
Sa birthday ko, pre. Tulungan mo kami ubusin yung alak ko.
Yes, sir. Pili lang.
Guys, I just finally got my order. So I actually ordered for one, but they gave me two Coke Zeros and this one. And just want to take a here. I know why he's there. So guys, this is the final food and everyone are kind of waiting for the food there.